Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Fiesta light bulb, easy method. First, remove the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts, then open the hood and locate the headlight housing. Remove any plastic covers or screws securing the housing and gently disconnect the wiring connector. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it out straight, then insert the new bulb without touching the glass and reassemble in reverse order. Gather gloves, a flathead screwdriver, and the replacement bulb labeled for your Fiesta. Work in a well-lit area and keep the old bulb for comparison. Have a clean rag handy to grip the socket if it is stuck, and a small tray to hold screws and clips. Lay out parts in sequence so reassembly follows the reverse order of removal. Take your time to avoid breaking clips or scratching paint. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and hit like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet like you treat car parts. Upgrade to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for comfort and durability. They last through long drives and greasy garage days, so I toss a pair into my tool bag. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by removing any covers or wheel liners blocking access, then locate the bulb socket behind the headlight. Disconnect the wiring harness by pressing its release tab, then twist the socket anti-clockwise and pull it free. Handle the old bulb carefully and set it aside. Compare the old and new bulbs, then align the new bulb into the socket and twist clockwise until it clicks. Reattach the wiring and test the light before fully reassembling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.